just thought this was kind of weird that there's this stuff like this out in the middle of very, very West Texas at a rest stop. I wonder who lives there. Holy crap, man. Apparently, can't sleep on the benches. But look at this. West Texas is freaking weird, man. I think Mexico's over that way. I don't know. There's a boat. Some nondescript building here. I don't know what the hell that's all about. Wow. And by the way, it's about 100 degrees at least. Or what is that, 35 degrees Celsius? 36? I don't know. It's smoking hot. I can't believe this tree, you don't even want to call it that, actually exists. And I gotta take a crap, but I can't take a crap here. There is no moisture. None. I don't think it's humid. It's not humid, it's dry. This freaking weather is dry. It's been a hot minute since I've been in dry weather. It's been out east, but good God Almighty. Enough of my rambling.